In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XLOOKUP with multiple columns in Excel. Open Excel, then open the workbook you already have. In the output area, use the two empty columns for the weighted totals. Label column K as bonus, and label column L as commission, so Excel has a clear place to return both totals for each salesperson. Click cell K3 in the first salesperson row. Type the repetitive formula shown on screen. This version uses one XLOOKUP for each region column, then adds those XLOOKUP results together. Take your time entering each part because this first formula is the longer pattern we are about to replace. When the formula is complete, press Enter. Cell K3 now shows the first salesperson's total bonus. Click back into cell K3 and look at the formula bar. Notice that the formula needs another XLOOKUP chunk for every extra region column. That means if more columns are added later, the formula keeps getting longer. This is the pattern we are going to collapse into one cleaner formula. Click cell K3 again. Press Delete to clear the old formula. Now type the rewritten SUMPRODUCT formulas shown on screen. Pause is needed while entering it, and adjust the ranges only where they need to match your own workbook. This formula replaces the repeated XLOOKUP chunks with one XLOOKUP that reads the whole header row at once. When the formula is fully entered, press Enter. Cell K3 should show the exact same bonus value as before. Here is what the new formula is doing. The inner XLOOKUP uses the headers from B2 through E2 all at once. Because it receives the whole header row, it returns a matching array of 4 rates. SUMPRODUCT then multiplies each sales number by its matching rate and sums all 4 products in one pass. The result is still the weighted bonus total, but the formula stays compact even when the sales columns grow. Now click cell K3 and look at the formula bar again. Pay attention to the dollar signs, because they control how the formula behaves when it is dragged. The sales range, $B3 through $E3, locks the columns but leaves the row free. That means when you drag the formula down, Excel moves from row 3 to row 4, then row 5, and continues correctly. The header range, $B, $2 through $E2 is fully locked. The lookup list, $G, $2 through $G5 is also fully locked. Those references always point to the same headers in lookup list. The final rate range, $2 through $5, locks the rows but leaves the column free. That allows the formula to move from the bonus rates in column H to the commission rates in column I when you drag it right. Press Enter or Escape to leave the formula unchanged. With K3 selected, move your pointer to the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That square is the fill handle. Click and drag it one column to the right, into L3. Cell L3 now calculates the first salesperson's commission total using the same formula pattern. Next, select the two-cell range K3 through L3. Move to the fill handle at the bottom right of that selection. Click and drag straight down to row 12. The range K3 through L12 now fills with bonus and commission totals for every salesperson. Click into a middle result cell, such as L7, and look at the formula bar. The row reference is shifted to match that salesperson's row, and the final XLOOKUP argument has moved across to $2 through $5 for commission. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The output range K3 through L12 is now filled with correct weighted totals for bonus and commission. Each result cell uses one SUMPRODUCT and XLOOKUP formula, and the same pattern can scale to 20 or 50 region columns by widening the sales range and header range.